Going on YouTube? Yeah, I'm bringing a video to y'all on a solution that I use for bacterial infections and fungal infections on your dogs. This here is actually a multi-pet care solution, so you can use it on your dogs, cats, chickens, horses, whatever you got. Okay. The reason why I'm bringing this video to y'all today is because I went out this morning to feed the dogs, and I noticed that Medusa scratching at her ears a lot. So looked at her ears and seen that it's real raw in the inside of her ears. So I took some Q-tips, dug out any dirt that I did see her get out of there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this solution to it twice a day. 2 to 3 pumps in each ear. You can apply it twice a day, 2 to 3 times a day. Okay, that's depending on how bad the infection is. It don't seem too bad, so we're gonna try to take care of it now. I have used this before, and it works great. I used this on I believe they had she was having some type of itchy skin, and this worked great. She stopped itching within a day or so. And it's good for wounds too. So let's go get Medusa. I'm gonna show you how to apply this to your dog. Okay. Okay. Back up. Okay. This feels good. See here, she's been scratching at her ears a lot. A little raw there inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna 2 pumps in each ear. Do one inside. I'm gonna do one on also outside of the ear. 2 outside of the ear. It's okay. It's okay, mama. Okay. It's called Banixx. Antibacterial, antifungal infections. Well, any type of animals that you got, you can apply it to them. It's a fast, effective recovery when you're using this. I've used it before, so I know for a fact that it do work. It don't cost no more than probably $5. So go to your local feed store, and I'm sure you can find it. It's asked for. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, so let me spell it out for y'all. Banixx, Banixx. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Okay. Medusa. Those beautiful how waiting on her to come and heat still. Like I say, take some Q-tips, get as much dirt out as you can out your dog's ears. Should be all right. Let's put her back. Alright, I'll be bringing this video to y'all. Probably drop it. Like I said, Banixx. Very inexpensive way to keep any type of bacterial infections from, occurring on your dog, also getting even worse than what it is. Fast recovery. Yeah. Like I said, this is for scratches, hot spots, fungus, wingworms, rain rot, thrusts, itchy skin, white line, wounds, skin, yeast infections, and ear infections. You can use Banixx. All right. I'll stay tuned in. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Shalom.